Okay, it's tutorial time again. I thought this time I would go through several lessons on After Effects and Element 3D, the new plugin from Video Copilot and Andrew Kramer. Excellent plugin. I don't know if you've ever seen Andrew Kramer's website, videocopilot.net. If you haven't, take a look. He's got some great, some of the best After Effects tutorials I've ever seen. The guy's a genius, and his products are phenomenal. Anyway, let's get started. Enough plugging for Andrew. Let's start off with a new composition, and I make mine 1280 by 720, 30 frames per second. We'll make it 10 seconds long with a blue color background. Let's go in here to Layer, make a new solid. I call that Element, and then we're going to go into Effect, Video Copilot, Element. Let's go into Scene Setup. Let's go into Jet Strike. Now, if you don't have Element 3D, you don't have, now you may have Element 3D, but you don't have Jet Strike, get Jet Strike. It's phenomenal. Okay, so let's take the glass and let's turn down that reflection quite a bit, and let's lower the opacity down a little bit, turn off this graph textures. Let's put a blue background here so we can see this. That's good. I'll be able to see the pilot. Okay, the next thing I do is create a group null for the jet, and I'm going to call that jet null. Okay, then I'm going to create a camera track null object, and we're going to call that camera 1. And we'll call that camera 1 null, and then we're going to create a camera. And we'll create a camera here. Make it 80 millimeter, and then we're going to take the camera, parent it to that null. I'm going to make that camera track. Let's put that. So let's move this camera around a little bit. Okay, so what I want to do is be able to set this up so that we can look into the cockpit. So we're going to move this camera track object to here, and then let's go to the right view, and let's move that object again. Whoops. This is the camera track. Move that up. Put that right on the pilot. And then let's look at the camera, and let's zoom in, and we're right in there on that pilot now. Okay, let's put a light in here, a new light. Let's make this one a parallel light. We'll make it about, let's say 150, and we'll make this kind of a warm sun color. And let's go here, and let's move that over there. And then let's drag it up here. Okay, then you can see that no matter where I move my camera, it keeps the target right on that camera track, which is right in that pilot's face. Okay, now let's go here to render settings. Let's turn on ambient occlusion, and let's turn that on, and then let's crank that up a little bit, and then let's go to glow. Let's enable that glow, and let's crank that up a little bit. Let's see. We're going to pull out of here. See, there's that glow on that light right there, and it also adds more glow to the thruster, to the engine. Okay, let's go in. Okay, so we have our basic scene set up now, and we'll continue on with this After Effects tutorial in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.